Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I own Tesla for more than 3 years now, and I'm still keep finding new Easter eggs inside my car. You may think you know your car inside out, but wait until you finish watching this video. From rainbow charger to secret voice command, here are 10 Tesla Easter eggs you probably don't know existed. Let's get started. Alright, since the holidays are around the corner, let's start with one of the most festive Tesla Easter egg ever. Santa mode. Activate your voice command and this is all you have to say. Ho ho ho. Your turning signal will become a jingle bell. You can still open your front, trunk, even charging port. In this mode, your Tesla instantly transforms into Santa's sleigh on the screen. The road turns snowy, reindeer replace cars, and Christmas music kicks in. You will even see Santa waving as you drive. You can try this yourself. If you say ho ho ho, not funny, it plays a different music. Another fun little inside joke from Tesla's holiday update. It's a perfect way to get in the Christmas spirit, especially if you are driving around with friends or families. When I tried this, kids love it, adults cannot stop laughing, and honestly, it makes every drive feels like a holiday movie moment. While you are using the Santa mode, if you play a Christmas Spotify playlist, you will get the ultimate festive Tesla ride. You can also activate FSD or autopilot during Santa mode. This looks super interesting while Santa riding on the rainbow road. Somehow we drove into a parking lot in Santa mode, and every single car turned to a reindeer. It was such crazy experience. If you try to park in Santa mode, Tesla's vision will still work. The Santa mode is just the beginning. Don't go anywhere. Tesla actually has more Easter eggs than you think. The next one will actually surprise you. Feature number 2. If you go to your car's setting and then go to software and change your car's name to Passy. Watch this gonna happen. This Easter egg is because Elon Musk is a Monty Python super fan. Before going to the next feature, I want to quickly talk about the Discover credit card. This is the easiest credit card to apply, and you earn 5% cashback every quarter and 1% cashback on everything else. Here are the categories of this year, and those are my real earnings. Also match all the cashbacks you earned at the end of the first year, which means you will earn 10% cashback on each category, 2% on everything else. The cashback match doesn't have a limit. If you are approved, just make any purchase within the first 3 months, you will earn $100 credit. Alright, back to the video. You want to keep watching this video because we still have a few more Tesla tricks and Easter eggs to go through. The next one is actually pretty useful for your daily driving. Feature number 3, hidden quick controls. All you have to do is just long press any of the icons. It will show you up another menu. So for me, I like to put the left heat seats on this area. It doesn't really take any spot, so every time I come in the seats, it will just show this icon. Same on the passenger side, so if there's a person sits on there, it will show a heat seats icon. The next one, I like to put on the heat steering wheel. Because the winter is coming, my steering wheel gonna be cold. I like to heat it up sometimes. And also front defrost. And also you can manually adjusting other icons if you like to. I like to put cameras, dash cam, my radio here. And on the right hand side is going to be the recent apps. After you finish, just leave it. So next time when I feel cold, I can just quick tap to heat up my seats or steering wheels. That feature is pretty useful, right? Now let me show you another pretty useful feature. Feature number 4. You may know your Tesla is equipped with HEPA filter, but there's actually a way to check the health of the filter. Now let me show you. So you will go to settings, and then go to software. You will hold this Model Y logo for a few seconds. Alright, there you go. It shows access code. Then you will type in service. You press OK. It will give you a warning. So make sure you don't touch anything else. Only do what I told you. After you go into the service mode, you will go to thermal under HVAC. come to the right. So you will see a HiPAP filter, 87% health. So this is my car. It's been 3 years and my HiPAP filter still have 87% health. That's pretty good. After you check this, you can exit the menu by just hold this. I got my Tesla home charger installed this weekend, so I can show you this the Easter egg number 5. So take my charger. You will hold the charging button, open the charging port. You will see there's a white light, means it's not charging right now. So once you plug in, it will turns blue. And then in the same time, you will hear a click sound from the charging station. And this is flashing green. At this point means your car is charging. So you just press this button for 10 times. Watch what's gonna happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, you got a rainbow color. Tesla logo is flashing. Here are some charging port light color meanings. If shows blue, that means prepare to charge. Blinking green means charging in progress. Solid green means charging completed. Yellow light means partial connected. Red means charging faulted. If you just press this button for 10 times, this should work anywhere as long as you plug in a Tesla charger. Doesn't matter which Tesla charger it goes to, so it should work. Alright, you guys still with me? Because next trick might blow your mind. Easter egg number 6. This one's for space lovers, Tesla's Mars mode. All you have to do is go to the settings, and it goes to software. And then you will long press on Model Y logo, then manually type in Mars. Watch what's gonna happen, including my light bar. When I press OK, the map completely changes. It's no longer on Earth. Your Tesla is now driving across the surface of Mars. The background turns red and dusty. Your little car's icon becomes Mars rover. Even your air conditioner turns red to match that planet's atmosphere. It's such a clever detail. Tesla didn't even need to do that, but they did. The whole experience just makes everything wild. Let me show you guys how you go back to Earth. There are 2 ways. One is you turn off this multi-planet. Another way is you go back to the software. You hold this button again. And then you will type in Earth. And now you go back to Earth. Trick number 7, customize trunk height. Actually, I didn't know this before until one time I hid my trunk in my garage ceiling. Not in this house, but the previous one. When you open your Tesla trunk, this opens up pretty high. So if you look at the garage door, and I have the controller and the height of the door, so it's definitely gonna hit that door if I park the other way around. And at one time actually happened to me, but I stopped this right in time, so it didn't cause too much damage. So in this case, what you can do is lower to the height you actually need it, doesn't hit anything, and hold this button. You will hear a ding, that sound. That means it's set up. So next time when I open the trunk, will automatically stay on this height. Let me show you guys. Alright, so open the trunk. Look, that's where it's gonna stop. And this height is actually perfect. When you go back to your car, it will ask you a question if you want to clear this location or save as a default. If you want to clear up the locations you saved, you can go to settings and then go to service. There's option for remove saved locations. So right here you will see a trunk opening height. That way you can remove the location data for the trunk height. Easter egg number 8. This is actually a pretty funny voice command. All you have to say is open butthole. This will actually open your charger port. Vice versa, if you say close butthole, it will actually close your charging port. Easter egg number 9. But the Tesla still have those shift stock. You can just quickly pull it twice and it will instantly activate the rainbow road. For my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, it doesn't have the stock here anymore. In order to enable FSD, you press the button in here. You just press down once, enable the FSD or autopilot. So I tried to press 4 times. It doesn't really do anything. Basically cancel my autopilot. So if you want to keep it on all the time, you can just turn on the function in Toy Box under Rainbow Road. Make sure it's always rainbow. The last Tesla trick I'm going to teach you today, you need to pull out your app on your phone. So just long press any icons. You will open up this customized control center. So there are so many options you can pick. For me, I'll just pick the central mode. So all you have to do is make sure your finger is on the left side of the icon and hold the icon, drag to the top. So you will see this part highlight, which means you can replace it. When you see the 5th spot light up, then that's where you want to drop this icon. So this way you will have 5 customized controls instead of 4. Tesla is full of secrets. That's why I never got bored driving it. From Santa sleigh to Mars mode, Tesla really knows how to make driving fun, especially during the holiday seasons. Which Easter egg was your favorite? Drop in the comment below. And if I missed one, let me know in the comment as well so I can try in my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm still trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.